So Libas started its journey in 1985 when our chairman Mr. Sunil Keshwani started the brand. It was an offline store in Lajpat Nagar, but I think when Siddhant came back from US, who is our current managing director, he took the company online completely. He started off from the marketplaces first, and I think we were the first brand on marketplaces when the marketplace model itself was evolving in India. I think in the last 7-8 years, we have seen a very good growth in marketplaces. In the last 3-4 years, we have also started focusing on our D2C channel, which is our own website, and that has also grown pretty well, which has again become a 200 crore channel right now. And apart from that, we're also focusing on expansion into offline spaces. We have about 15 EBOs right now and presence across 500 MBOs as well. I think the growth has been good so far. We are going all out. We're exploring all different channels, and let's see, we're able to maintain the growth momentum in the near future as well. So, first one is, I would say, allocation mechanism. See, in case of D2C, we work with multiple partners at one single point of time. Now, there are different logics that you have to define at the back end. Which shipper should get priority in which specific location? It can be pricing, it can be vicinity, it can be efficiency of that shipper. So one thing is that we work with Shipway. They help us in allocation mechanism number one. Apart from that, tracking, which was a problem statement earlier, we're able to show it to the customer now. And third, I would say automation of NDR process. In case of NDR, everything has to happen very swiftly. And if you take a lot of time, more than 24 hours, there are high chances that the product will get RTO. I think this is what has helped us in reducing the RTOs as well. And I think fourth, I would say tracking and communicating it to the customer specifically. If you are dispatching it on time, and if you are communicating it well to the customer via different channels like email, SMS, and WhatsApp, and so the readership is very high in those channels. Whenever you're dispatching it, if you're communicating it well to them, I think people will read it, they will get to know about it, and it will reduce the customer support queries eventually. So I think the major issue was tracking specifically. Though we were using another tech product which was able to help us manage the logistic operations specifically, but I think we were not able to showcase the trackings to the customer, which again becomes a big problem, because if you are dispatching it on time but you're not communicating it effectively to the consumers, it becomes a problem. So I think tracking was one thing which Shipway helped us solve. We're able to showcase that tracking to the consumer on a real-time basis. Apart from that, Shipway has also helped us in managing NDR as well. It used to be a manual process before, but after Shipway came on board, we have automated the process. Most of the things are happening on a real-time basis. And once you do that, it helps you reduce the RTO significantly. So I think these are the things that we were not using before, and this has helped us a lot after working with Shipway. See, when it comes to numbers, which has gone better for us after working with Shipway, I would say one would be a reduction in the customer support queries. It used to be trending somewhere at 13 to 14% initially, where the customers were asking about the tracking status. And after we were able to showcase it to them after working with Shipway, after enabling it in the tech stack, it has gone down to, today it stands at somewhere close to 3%. So that is one thing Shipway has helped us achieve in increasing the customer efficiency and reducing the customer support queries. Second, I would say RTO rate has also gone down. Earlier, it used to trend at, say, double-digit number, I would say 11-12%. Now we are at 7-8%. After we have worked with Shipway, while working on the automation process, whenever the NDR happens, we reach out to the customers on a real-time basis. This has also helped us reduce the RTO rate as well, significantly. And third, I would say, I think allocation mechanism helps you save the cost, because the system knows at the back end which pin code will give you more efficiency at a much better price. So I think it has become a cost-effective solution as well. We have been able to reduce our cost by another 5 to 10% by working on the allocation mechanism that are set by Shipway. So I think, yeah, these are the things which has helped us and reduce the cost, reducing the customer support queries, and reducing the RTO rate as well. It has been a good experience so far. They have built a very robust product. The tech team is very innovative. And the good part is they're willing to build new solutions. As in, when we come across any new things which are required to be incorporated into the product, we share the feedback with them, and they take the feedback very promptly and they work on it. I think that's a good part, and that's how a product can be evolved in a much more efficient manner. So I think it has been a good journey so far. We will continue to work with them in the near future as well.